Hello, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Root Beer here, and if you're curious, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. We're on question number 16 from our 2019 Fermat paper. In the diagram, each line segment has length x or y. So you notice the ones that have a single tick, these should all be y's. The ones with the double ticks are indicated for the x's. Okay, so I understand all these lengths here. Also, each pair of adjacent sides is perpendicular. So we've got a bunch of right angles here. I guess apparently I'm including them all as I draw, but there we go. All right. If the area of the figure is 252 and x is twice y, the perimeter of the figure is. Okay, let's get ourselves a copy of this figure. Okay. Sort of like a tuning fork, I think it was. Now, the fact that we've got a bunch of right angles suggests to me that maybe we want to break this up as a bunch of what do we have? Y, X. X over here, Y here, Y here, X here, Y. I think this is a Y as well. Yeah, there we go. So roughly I've got my shape correct. Okay, this side should be a little longer. Doesn't matter to me. Okay, and I guess maybe we should be a bit more precise. If I'm going to start, what I want to do is start chopping this up into boxes. We'll make this a little longer. X, Y, Y, X, Y, and an X there. Okay, because we know the area, so it'd be really nice if we had, say, an expression for the area. Now, what we can do is we can sort of extend this line down here. It's going to meet because these are both length Y, and we have a bunch of right angles. Okay? Now, this length here, what's it going to be? Y. How do you know that? Well, we know that this side of the rectangle needs to be the same as this side. This side's X. And we're told x is 2y. Well, we've already got one y up here, so the remaining y to fill in the whole side of x should be right there. Okay. And that tells me that connecting up here would also make a y, okay, which makes this have a side length of x. Okay, and now this y down here means that we'll get a y here. And so what's left over, just changing pen colors for some variety, we know this whole length is x. X is 2 y's. Well, there's one y. Here's another y. Okay? And if I extend this across, well, this length is y, so this length's got to be y. And that makes sense because we have a whole x here. And since this length is y, this will also be y. So the area is 3 of these rectangles that go x by y. And then there's one up here. It's a nice little square. It's y by y. Okay, so we know the total area is 252, and we know that's 3xy plus one copy of y squared. We also know x is twice y. So this is really 6y squared plus y squared, or 7y squared. So we divide through 42, so it should be 36, I think. Yeah, 36 is the same as y squared, so y will be 6. Okay? Now, we're not concerned with what y is, but we're asked for the perimeter. So what's the perimeter of this figure? 1y, 2 y's, 3 y's, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 y's. So 8 y's. And then if y is 6, x is twice y, so it'll be 12. So we've got 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, so 4 times 12. And we work that out, that'll be 48 plus, well, 48. So the perimeter here is going to be 96 when all is said and done. Okay, and there we go, nice little perimeter there. Just going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 copies of 6. Yep, that all works out. So I'm really confident in my 96 there. Okay, so that's question number 16. Join me if you are so inclined for question number 17 in the next video. Until then, take care.